Let's talk about something that's been popping up everywhere lately, castor oil packs. If you've scrolled through TikTok or wellness blogs, you've probably seen many people trying them out, claiming this simple little ritual can do everything from detoxing your liver to clearing constipation, calming inflammation, and even boosting your immune system. But what's the real story? That's what we're going to break down today. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly what a castor oil pack is, the fascinating science behind castor oil's star ingredient, ricinoleic acid, what benefits are real, what's hype, and whether you should try one out yourself. All I ask is to give this video a like down below and to subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. Now let's get into it. So first things first, what exactly is a castor oil pack? Think of it as an old school home remedy that's been modernized by the wellness world. A castor oil pack is basically a piece of cloth, usually flannel or cotton, soaked in castor oil. That cloth is placed on the body, often on the abdomen or over the liver area, then covered with plastic wrap or towel to keep the oil contained. And usually it's also topped off with heat from either a hot water bottle or a heating pad. You then leave it on for about 30 to 60 minutes, sometimes even longer, while you rest. This isn't new. In fact, castor oil packs have been around for centuries. Ancient Egyptians used castor oil for healing and traditional Ayurvedic medicine. Castor oil was considered a powerful cleansing remedy. So the practice has deep roots. But the question is, how does it actually work? Now here's where things get fascinating. Castor oil is not your average plant oil. If you look at olive oil, for example, it's mostly oleic acid. Sunflower oil is rich in linoleic acid. But castor oil, about 90% of it is ricinoleic acid, which is very rare in nature. This is what gives it that thick, sticky texture, and most importantly, its unusual biological properties. Let's unpack some of those effects. First, ricinoleic acid has been shown to have strong anti-inflammatory properties. It does this by activating certain prostaglandin receptors, specifically EP3 receptors, that help dial down inflammatory pathways in the body. I like to think of inflammation as your body's internal alarm system. It's useful when you're injured or fighting infection, but when it's chronic, it just leads to pain, swelling, and irritation. Castor oil, by calming down those pathways, helps quiet the alarm system. That's why some people use it for joint pain, menstrual cramps, or even irritated skin conditions, which if you guys want, I can make a separate video about. Just type in the comments, castor oil for face. The second major effect is pain relief. Since pain and inflammation are closely linked, by reducing inflammatory chemicals, ricinoleic acid also helps reduce discomfort. Some people swear by castor oil packs for soothing period cramps or abdominal aches, describing it like putting a warm compress directly on the pain, but with the added bonus of an anti-inflammatory oil soaking in at the same time. The third effect is digestion. This is where castor oil is most famous. Taking orally, castor oil has the powerful laxative. It stimulates the smooth muscles in your intestines, literally making them contract and pushing things along. That's why hospitals once used castor oil as a bowel prep before surgery. The big question is, can castor oil packs do the same thing just by being placed on the skin? Some people claim yes, that the oil penetrates through the skin, reaches the intestines or liver, and stimulates activity. Scientifically, this is harder to prove. Oral use is very well documented. Topical use is mostly anecdotal. Still, many users report gentler, improved bowel movements after using packs consistently, which is interesting to note. If you used one for digestion and it worked, feel free to share what that was like in the comments below. And finally, guys, there's the immune system claim. Remember that one? Back in the 1990s, a few small studies suggested that castor oil, the packs might increase levels of lymphocytes, the white blood cells that fight infection. The theory is that by improving lymphatic circulation, the packs help the body move immune cells more efficiently. But to be clear, the evidence here is limited and hasn't been repeated in large, high-quality studies. So while the idea is intriguing, I'll label this as promising but unproven. Before we get into how to use it safely, which I hope you're still watching the video up until now, I wanted to pause for a second and separate what's real from what's mostly hype. The science strongly supports castor oil as an anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving agent. That's real. It's also a fantastic emollient for the skin, so if nothing else, a castor oil pack leaves your skin softer and hydrated. Those are solid benefits. But then we have the claims about liver detox, lymphatic drainage, and major immune boosting effects. these are a lot more speculative. There's not strong scientific proof that simply placing castor oil on the skin can cleanse your liver or flush out toxins. The liver already detoxes your body 24/7. That's literally its job. And there's no clear evidence that castor oil speeds that process up. I know a lot of you guys won't like hearing that, but with that said, here's the nuance. Even if some of the bigger claims are overstated, using a castor oil pack involves lying down, right? Applying soothing heat and engaging in a kind of ritual of self-care. You guys do realize that that alone reduces stress, lowers your cortisol, and helps the body enter a state of relaxation. So I guess part of the benefit may come not just from the chemistry of the ricinoleic acid, but from the act itself. It's like how a cup of herbal tea relaxes you, not just from the tea, but from the ritual, if that makes sense. Okay, so let's talk about how to use it. If you're curious to try it, here's how you can make one at home. You'll need 3 things: a clean piece of cotton or flannel cloth, some high quality castor oil, look for organic, cold pressed and hexane free, and a heat source like a heating pad or a hot water bottle. Just those 3 things. I left you my current favorite one in the description below as an affiliate which supports the channel if you wish to go with that one. Step 1, fold your cloth and soak it generously in castor oil until it's damp but not dripping. Step 2, place it on the area you want to target, usually on the lower abdomen or the liver. And after that, step 3, cover it with a plastic wrap or a towel to prevent stains. Step 4, apply gentle heat on top of it and lie down for 30 to 60 minutes. Some people even do this a few times a week as part of their wellness routine. Now, a few safety notes I want to mention is that always patch test it first, because some people can be sensitive to castor oil. Never apply it to broken skin or open wounds. And if you're pregnant, castor oil is a no-go without medical supervision, since it can stimulate uterine contractions. Beyond that though, it's generally safe, though yes, it can get messy. So what do you guys think? Have you ever tried a castor oil pack? Did you notice any changes, better digestion, less pain, or maybe just deeper relaxation? Drop your experience in the comments below, because I'd love to hear how it worked for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into the science behind wellness trends. And I'll see you guys on the next one.